Hey guys, it's Rachel with the Certified Funnel Builder, and today we're going to be going over how to test a sales funnel and make sure that you are ready for your launch. So let's hop into it, guys. All right, so I'm going to go into this funnel right here. As you can see, it's just an opt-in funnel with a order form and then a thank you page. Now, before you do anything, you're going to need to come over here on the right and click Settings. And you're going to scroll down a little, and where it says Stripe account, you're in test mode, you're going to turn it on. And then you have to scroll all the way down and you have to click Save and Update Settings. If you don't do that, it's not going to turn your testing on. All right, so now that we know that our testing is ready and on, I'm going to go over here to the opt-in page, and I'm just going to pull it up right here. And now I want to make sure all these buttons work, so I'm going to go through and I'm going to click this one, and this one does take me to the order form. I'm going to scroll down, I'm going to click this one does as well, and I'm going to scroll down here and click this one, and this one does as well, so that's all good. And now we're just on the order form right here. Now here's the part, this is the credit card number that you can use, that Stripe gives you to use to test the product in the funnel. So all I need to do is come in here and I'm going to put test. And then for your email, if you are doing multiple tests, what you need to do is, I'm going to put my email in right here. You want to add a little +1 after your name and before the @ sign, and then for the next test, you'd add a +2 and then like Rachel +3 for every test, because it can only read your email once. So if you're adding those pluses, it makes it so you can test multiple times. So as well as that, I'm going to put test 1 here since it's my first test. All right, I'm going to plug in an address. Any address. And then I'm going to copy this card up here and paste it right here. And then you can do any expiration date. So I'm just going to do 12/24. It does have to, be the year. And then same with the security code. It can just be 123. All right, now I'm going to press join certification now. And it's working. All right, and it sent me right to the thank you page, guys. So that means that funnel is working, at least as far as the sales page. When you are going through the funnel, it does take you to the thank you page. Now what you would need to do is go check your emails and make sure you got the appropriate emails if you were supposed to receive emails, as well as you can come back in here and check your contacts and make sure that you are a contact in here. And that's about it, guys. That is how you test a sales funnel in Stripe. And then you want to make sure after you are done that you come over here into your settings and you turn the Stripe test mode off, because you don't want people to be using that, of course. And then click Save and Update. And that's it, guys. So if you're looking for how to test a opt-in funnel or a sales funnel with a subscription product, I do have videos on those as well, so you guys should go check those out. We have something huge coming, so if you guys are wanting or launching a funnel soon and you got your fingers crossed that everything goes correctly, we got something coming up next week called Funnel Prime, so check out the comments to learn more, as well as subscribe, guys, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.